This is Print Lab TV. Always the best.
Good day, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am your very own Israel Otoijama. So today I'm talking about the 5 best free web hosting services out there for bloggers and web developers. Yes, just like yesterday when I started web design, I was always asking myself this question: if I could see platforms to get free hosting from, because hosting was quite expensive, and basically I stumbled upon some of these websites, and these websites have helped me a lot, even though I now use premium hosting from different platforms: SiteGround, GoDaddy, Namecheap, and all. But today I'll be talking about the 5 best free hostings that we have globally, the hostings that you would use, and you'll be rest assured that you're getting the best. In short, some of them are far better than most of these premium hostings that we have out there. Yes, you heard me right. Some of them are far better than some of these premium hostings that we have out there. So today, make sure you stay right there. Don't touch the dial. Stay right there and make sure you take your jotter and you check these websites that I'm listing out. Check them out and make sure that you select one of them for your web design and your hosting project. Yes, have a great day and stay tuned. Bye. So let's get straight to the top 5 free hosting services for bloggers and web designers. The first one here is freehostier.com. Freehostier.com is a platform I've used for years and they have never failed me. Basically, it's a platform that gives you the ability to host your website for free. You can come here. As far as I'm concerned, is the best in the industry, and you can do a lot of things with the platform. And the funnest part is it is free for life, because all you have to do is every year you just renew, just update it so that it can be free for the following year, and that's it. So it gives you the ability for 5 hosted domains, then 250 MB disk space, 6 GB monthly traffic, 5 email accounts, and all. So it is all encompassing, and I love it so much. It's the best in the industry. There is no advert. They won't put adverts on your website, and it's perfect for all forms of websites. But the bad part is there is no cPanel. So by default, you just have to build everything from the front end. But it is really cool. I love it. The second one is freehosting.com. freehosting.com. Now, one thing with freehosting.com is it only allows a website per account, and it understands your IP. So by default, once you host a website for free on this platform, all other websites you want to host has to be paid. They have to be paid services, and that is a turn off for me, because I have a lot of clients who just want a free website. They want a free hosting platform. They just want to buy the domain and have a free host. So the turn off for this one is they immediately know your IP, and they restrict you to having just one website per account. But it has a cPanel, and I think that's one of the good parts for this one. Then another one is infinityfree.com. Now, infinityfree.com was a platform that I used some years back. As you can see, it's already redirecting us, and I don't know, is it correct or what's wrong? So infinityfree.com, I think maybe it has gone down, so that's a turn off. But it used to be a nice free platform also, where you can buy your domain and just integrate on their free platform. But it used to show ads, so that was a turn off for me. So that's gone. Then we go to AwardSpace. AwardSpace.com. The problem I have with AwardSpace.com is the bandwidth. The bandwidth is small. The space is small, so you are limited to what you can get. You can have a whole lot of downtimes and all. So by default, it is free. It is a free hosting platform. Yes, it's a free hosting platform, and it has a lot of features that you would enjoy. But my problem now with them is it has a lot of downtime. It goes down, and you wouldn't want that to happen to you. So, and the last one is hyperphp.com. This is also a free web hosting platform, and you have a lot of, apart from the free one, they have others hosting plans for small businesses, and if that's what you want, you can also go for them. It's okay. But personally, like I've said earlier, the best one for me is freehostia.com. I have used this for a lot of clients, and they are doing great. They are doing fine with their website, no downtime, customer service is superb. But the turn off, like I said, is there is no cPanel. That's one. And secondly, I must say this also, you can't really use email with them with SMTP unless you go for their premium, for the premium services. So you have to buy the SMTP functions so that your emails can deliver. You can receive emails, customized emails. Also, if you use Word, WP Forms plugin on your WordPress website, you would have issues with them because your emails won't deliver. So you have to look for a way around that for you to make it work. So I think those are the turn offs for this website. But apart from this, other things are perfect, and it is okay for starters, bloggers. You just want to have an online space. It can even be e-commerce, and all you just want is a free hosting. You spend a little on the domain name, about $10, and then you get your free hosting. You integrate and start using. So I think this is cool, and it's something every new blogger should know about. So if you can just start with this, then after 3, 4, 5 months, you get to understand the business, and you'd see if it's perfect for you. You choose what is good for you. If it's something you want to do, if it's business you want to invest on, then you can move to the premium hosting. Yes, thank you for checking my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure you like this video, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to this channel before leaving. Thank you once again for checking by, and have a great day. Bye.